very balanced, very controlled you have to be when you're going through these slushes. Very challenging. It's very exhaustive. Especially there is a big slush that I have to drive through, and that was pretty exhaustive. Few more kilometers and I think I'll be there. Some good view. Oh, can you see the way? It's all mud, full of slush. Oh my good lord. Fuck you, slushes! Fuck you! Left my phone for a beautiful time lapse. This is a bit exhaustive. It feels really exhaustive because there is slush, there is mud, rocks, so you need to be properly good enough to come here. So Gudisa is really good, like the beautiful outposts and all those mountains. I think it's one of the best places for you to come over in the weekend if you are staying in Rajahmundry. But one thing, endurance. Endurance is the key. What do I say? You need to have a lot of endurance and a lot of stamina to be able to scale this and do a trek. Of course, you should be physically fit as well. But look at the beautiful outpost, right? Pretty amazing. I want to click some portraits here, but self time. You can say that it's a self time. So if you're wondering, my tripod is there, like the gorilla pod, and it's all full of nature. It's beautiful right here, man. It's beautiful. So I've tried clicking some pictures, never know how they turn out to be, but glad I tried doing something on my own. So I've always believed in independency, but still, thoda se lenge. Yay! You blink your eye and you will be on the mud. So that's how these slushes are. You got to be really careful with these slushes, especially. They are so frictionless and they will put you under terrible pressure if you don't pay attention to these slushes. As they say, perfect trips do not exist, and somewhere I misplaced my money. Problem is, I am running out of petrol, which I have only 70 kilometers of range. So we are going right now, and let's see how far will I go. And it is starting to rain. Never knew what the forests hold for you. See, that's what I'm worried about. Thick forests, and it started drizzling and slushes. The worst combination ever that you will want to be in: forests, slushes and rain. And on top of that, you don't have a roof above you, and that's when you know you're screwed. Oops, I did not switch on my ABS, and that's a problem. Yes, I just switched on my ABS, and as you can see on the dash, the fuel meter has popped up indicating we are running out of fuel, and I definitely need to fuel the bike. And some good roads from here on. So I just got a 1 liter of petrol filled by some I actually took 500 rupees from a phone guy. He charged 10 rupees for the he charged 10 rupees for the 500 rupees. So I am on my way back. So these definitely are my shoe prints, and that's my tire print. Here is where when I removed the case for pulling up the drawer, I lost the money is what I'm suspecting. I don't find any traces here. There should be a poop somewhere. That thing, yes, exactly, that thing. It is there. The money was lying there, and it should be somewhere here. So these definitely are my bike's tire marks. I don't know, man. 3,000 rupees is a big deal. Can't find it anywhere. So I must consider myself lucky because I was able to find 500 rupees. దరిద్రంలో దరిద్రం ఏదో దొరికిందని ఆనందపడాలి. There is no other go because it was a little bigger money. So at least I have the money for the return journey. I'm not worried right now. So chill. Let's go. Yeah.